because she's Polish.
Don't be
Because I'm
so
not
defensive.
racist. It's not because she's Polish. I didn't go, you're Polish. I don't care where she's from. I'm fucking half Spanish.
I didn't mention the Polish thing. You did. That's why I'm asking.
You actually did. You actually just said.
You
Oh,
was
do you know
about-
what?
you was
You
about- you was about
are
over there.
pointless. I'm actually trying to reason with you.
I love nurses.
You're just being a dick.
And do you know what? As
I
well?
fucking hate people like you.
I
That's
know.
what
I know
hate.
you do. I know you do. I know. But I've got 2 children and I look after them.
Well,
So I think I do a good job.
Where's
I do.
Where is it?
I look
Yeah,
after
man.
them and I pay for
You
them.
got to.
Yeah.
2 kids.
One's 12 and one's 9.
Really?
And they live with me. And I take them to school in
So
the
you're
morning.
good. You're a good guy. Good
Yeah,
stuff,
well,
you know.
I'm probably not a good guy, but I look after them.
Good. That's to appreciate.
Yeah.
That's
Don't
really
I take
good.
my children to school in the morning?
Yeah?
And then I come to, and then I,
Does-
every
does it,
fucking day,
yeah?
and I still make it into work.
Does it do that?
But
do you know him?
Yeah.
I've got 2 children. One's 12.
Yeah, I know you
one's
told
9.
me. And you're a
I
complete
take them.
bunker and don't even want to marry
Come
them.
on, guys.
Am
Don't
I
even want to
complete
marry them
bunker?
up.
Stop it.
Maybe you should meet my children
No,
and
I
then
don't wanna
decide
meet your
whether I'm a
children. I don't wanna meet your
wanker.
children.
Because you would not fucking do anywhere near as good job as I do.
Okay.
Because it's all you can do is
Hmm?
fucking.
Oh,
Do
shut
you know what?
This
Actually,
is so-
do you know what? I can't even be bothered.
Come on, guys.
Shut it up. You're just
Because she's
an idiot.
nothing, is she? She's nothing
idiot.
on me.
So,
One day,
bye, guys.
One day,
one
I'll
day,
actually marry
hopefully.
Mum and do a good.
Marry whose mum?
The woman that you've had kids with.
Who says she even exists? Stupid woman.
Or did she just like be out of thin
What a
air, did
stupid
she?
woman.
You impregnate yourself.
Oh,
Who's that
yeah.
fucking-
One's
what are you-
12,
are you-
one's
what,
9.
just
They're
married?
boys. I impregnate myself. I look after them.
Calm
Listen
down.
to
Do
me
you-
Calm
talking.
yourself down.
You actually sound how you look, and I'm really sorry about that.
Whatever.
What?
You are just a fucking rude bastard. You really are.
More swearing from this woman.
No, but you are.
Please
because
do
you-
not
that
say
is how
fuck or
angry you
bollocks.
make, and I
But
don't
hold on,
actually
let me,
swear.
let me just sit down. Fuck, bollocks. You look like a cunt. Sorry.
The problem
Sorry.
is you are a cunt, so fuck off.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Take it easy, guys.
I would love to care about what you
And
say.
you're about 2 foot tall.
Your dick is small.
That's why you talk so
actually,
big.
it's actually smaller than that. But you don't need to worry
Mate.
about that.
No,
Have you
no.
seen-
Hey, man.
Good luck with the husband that's just left you.
Show them your stuff.
You
It's all about
actually
dick.
look.
It's all
how
about
you
dick.
sound.
And
Dick.
you look
So good
about
luck.
that tall, and so is your
I'll wake up tomorrow.
I
I'll be
reckon
fine.
your
I'll wake
nose,
up
your
tomorrow, you'll
nose,
still be the same.
your nose is actually bigger than your cock.
For
know
fuck's
that?
sake.
And then you, do you know what
Nej,
I
jag
mean?
hold den med mannen säkert.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that
so
why
when
your
you
husband
wake up
left you?
tomorrow and you look in the mirror and you go, I'm still that same cunt. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Oh.
Come
there
on.
was no need for this argument tonight, but
No,
That
you have made it into an argument just through me asking, please don't swear.
Please don't say fuck or bollocks
Because
when
you're
you've
an
got the
arsehole.
filthiest
Why don't
mouth
you
on
just
the
learn
fucking
to shut-
train.
Why don't you just
Listen,
learn to shut your
listen,
mouth?
love. Do you know what the
Why don't
problem
you
is?
just
I
learn
don't
to shut
even
my
feel
piece of
sorry for you
crap?
anymore.
Shut your mouth.
And now I know why your boyfriend left you and you're so upset. Because you're a useless fucking cunt.
Oh my fucking god! Seriously?
Yeah.
Seriously? Do you wanna?
Hey, guys,
how you
guys.
talk to people? Who do you
There's
think
no
you
need
are?
to get aggressive.
Who do you think you are? No, but who do you think you are?
There's no need to
You,
get
you
aggressive.
can't say things like that to
Phone.
someone.